Hi everyone, Dave Russell here. We're having our final prep work done for the AGP. Really excited. We've got a brand new livery which I'll show you. We have got Hire a Hubby on board and their group sponsors with that. I'll show you the car. The guys are working pretty busy here finding and doing final prep. So it looks amazing. Obviously we've got a lot of brands on the car, which is great to have their support. It's literally just come back from the sign writers, so SS Signs have done a fantastic job on the car. Obviously we've got door handles to go in, the boys have still got the car to go on the setup patch and get all that done. Can't wait to hit the tracks of Albert Park at the Grand Prix. It'll be our first round for Porsche Carrera Cup. We've got a new number, for me it's a new team as well. We've got number 2, which was represented a few years ago by a hero of mine, which was Jim Richards, so hopefully we can do that number proud and certainly go for the results with this great opportunity at TekworkX.